everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy with another project. Friends, let's make a sunflower out of these burner covers. What? I know. These are from Dollar Tree, and I paint the small one black, and I painted the larger one, I think it's an oatmeal chalk paint. Then I have this fabric I got from no, not Dollar Tree, Walmart, and it's a jelly roll. So they're long strips. They're 2.5 inches wide, and I cut them to 7 inches. Then I knot them. Okay, so here we go. That's that. And then all I'm going to do is take my scissors and just cut the corners off so that it almost looks like a leaf. Does that make any sense? Perfect. Now I have 3 different patterns that I'm using. They're all bee related. Look at how cute. Yay. I think I did about 74 of them total. Then I have some burlap, and I'm going to glue it onto our larger, I always have a hard time with that, burner cover. So there's that. Now I'm going to pop a couple holes in the center. I'm using a Crop-A-Dile. You don't have to do this part, but we have to get really, when I popped a couple holes in the smaller one too. Because I have allergies, using those intense glues is not a possibility. So we have to get creative. And so this is me being creative. So I lace in some jute. And I'm just going to tie it. This is just a hold. It's like a placeholder. I'm tying the jute this way, but we're going to untie it after. All right. So next, I found some macrame cording at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start spiraling it and then put a little glue on our smaller burner cover, and then we're going to start wrapping it around itself. So then it's just glue, wrap, glue, wrap. You know, it's funny, after I did this, I was like, I probably didn't need to paint it black, but I wasn't sure, and I didn't want to have to be, going back and fixing stuff. So, yeah. So there it is. Super pretty, right? I did go back and put a couple holes on the bigger burner cover just so that we could add a jute hanger. There's that. Cute. Next, I'm going to put that black one on top of our burlap one and just trace around. I wanted to put it in the center, and then I just made a mark where that center is, and now we're going to glue all of our little knotted, what do you call it? It's all over the burner cover. And see how I'm making sure that that knot is on the outside of the mark that we made. And see how I'm going to just go all the way around. I put the yellow ones down first, and then I kind of just filled in all of the other patterned ones throughout, just to fill it in and make sure that there was nothing showing underneath. Look at how cute this is. So pretty. All right, next we're going to take our smaller burner cover that we put the jute in earlier, and now we're going to lace that inside the bigger one that we did. There we go. And we're going to flip it over. We're going to tie it into a nice bow or a knot or whatever. Secure it. Again, if you could use glue, I suppose glue would work, but look at how pretty this is. Next, I have a little home sign. They're little home cutouts from Dollar Tree. I adhered that, and there's that. But you know what? I feel like it needed something. So look we did a little raffia bow, and then I made a cute little felted bee that I added on. Stay tuned for that. I have a whole video on how to make the felted bee. Super fun. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.